my next video, I'd like to do one on 2 battery savings options that not a lot of people know about, and I wanted to go over those with you. To preface, I'm on the Samsung S26 Ultra, and I'm running One UI 9 Beta 2. Okay, so I believe this is on One UI 8.5. I don't think it's under that. It's possible. If it is, like I always say, if you could put maybe a link in the description to let me know if you see it. So let's get right into it. First off, we want to go into settings, which I was already there. And you want to go into battery. Okay, and then we want to scroll down and we want to go into battery protection. Now this should be on, but I turned it off to show everyone. So battery protection. Now remember, your battery doesn't like to be full. It doesn't like to be 100% all the time. That's how batteries can degrade quick. Leaving them plugged in all the time can degrade them fast. So batteries don't like 100%. So keeping your battery at a full 100% charge, I'm just reading this obviously, for a long time can reduce its lifespan. Choose an option below to protect your battery and make it last longer. So I have mine set to when my battery will stop charging when it reaches 90%. So I like to go up to 90. Sometimes I'll have this checked. When your battery is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95%, and then charging will start again. So either one of those two is great. And then I also have on sleep time protection. I forgot about that one. This is a good option. It's just because I just have it on all the time. Stop charging at 80%. So when it's plugged in at night, usually that's when people will hard charge or full charge their phone. So stop charging at 80% when you're asleep, and finish charging to 100% just before you wake up. So it's a really good option that it's not always charging at full power when you're at 100%. So it goes down and it comes back up. So I like this. This is my setting here, basic, and then on sleep time protection. And then obviously you have to turn that off. So now there's one other one that I want to discuss. Okay, and that one we want to back out into the main settings and then go into battery again. And now on this part, we want to go to, and now we're in battery, and then I just take a step backwards, which takes me to device care. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of ways to get to this. That's just how I do it. So, whenever you have a red dot next to something, just a bit of background here, there's a new option with that. So I had a red dot on the 3 dots that was a new option. So just like the one to the left of it has a red dot. So we're going to go right into it. I already went into it and looked at it, so that's why it's not red anymore, because I've already looked at it and it's not new, but I want to go over this with you. So hit the 3 dots and settings, and then we have block apps with excessive ads. This is new. Basic and intelligent blocking are active. So apps that send frequent advertisement alerts will be put in deep sleep to prevent them from bothering you. Apps in deep sleep can be viewed in the settings device care report abnormal behavior. So let's go ahead and click on that, and I have none, thank goodness. Apps suspected of abnormal behavior were put in deep sleep. Consider uninstalling these apps if you're not sure about using them. So I have none. And then there's basic blocking. Samsung apps identified by Samsung as sending frequent ads will be blocked whenever they're detected by your phone. And then intelligent blocking I have turned on. Alerts are analyzed on your phone to determine whether they're ads and blocked if frequent. This determination may always not be accurate. So in other words, it's just checking them, and it's kind of an AI feature to see if they're really needing to be blocked or not. So those two features I like to turn on and leave on, just to help my battery. And this one, now that apps are sending information constantly all over the place with their ads, apps that send frequent advertisement alerts will be put into deep sleep. So I like that. I like the fact that, number one, they're blocking them, which they shouldn't even be anyway on my phone, and two, they're not taking up any kind of resources. So two neat things. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.